Alrighty folks, today we're going to be cooking groundhog burgers. This is groundhog from a wild hog I harvested just Friday, or was it Saturday? I don't know. But anyway, groundhog is on the menu. Hey Maria, what do you think about groundhog? You like wild hog? She had a little bit of that last time. Remember when I roasted that? What was that, a little pork shoulder? Wild hog. This is groundhog though. What do you think, Lizzie? Are you excited? She's more excited about those squirrels out there. Ground squirrel. Now I have this Bug Assault 3.0. I have taken a few flies with it. I would not recommend mixing any flies into your meat mixture, but you know, there's probably people out there who would say it adds some flavor, or, you know, maybe more desperate times I'll think about that, but for now we're just, this is going to be pure groundhog. Last night I ground up about 20-30 pounds. Most of it I threw in the freezer, but I saved out this one patty's worth just to make a nice fresh burger. So that's a look at what we're dealing with. Fresh groundhog, and I mixed in some seasoning as I ground it, so let me show you y'all what that looks like. I use this Fiesta brand extra fancy garlic pepper with parsley. Pretty good stuff, smells good. It's got salt, pepper, parsley, garlic, so all you need really anyway, so. But, you know, you can throw whatever in. Alrighty, I got my skillet ready. I'm just gonna put it on high. It's got a good amount of fat, so I'm not really gonna worry about lubing her up, but maybe let's just drizzle a little olive oil on there just for kicks. So we got this skillet on high, and just let her heat up a little bit. So it's gonna be a pretty quick and easy little cooking action. I bagged the hog with this M96 Swedish Mauser and 6.5 by 55 Swede. This one was made in 1901. You can see there on the, well, it's hard to see under the scope, but yep, it's a laser. Alrighty, looked like our skillet's getting mighty hot. Let's turn it down. Crikey. Whoa, Nelly. Alrighty, let's chuck this burger on the skillet. I'm still learning the ins and outs of this. There we go. Listen to her sizzle. And let's do 4 minutes aside. Sorry, I might be really zoomed in, but let's do 4 minutes aside, see how that is. Listen to that sizzle now. Whenever the air purifier goes off, you know you're doing some tasty cooking. Air purifier, I'm pretty hungry, I reckon. The famous, wait, I should do it this way, shouldn't I? There's the famous Harley Benton. Still trucking along. Got it in our new place. And the weather instruments. Alrighty. Let's do a flipperoo. There's cooked side. I'm gonna, you know, cook this pretty good, probably more than I need to just to be safe. Looks like we're getting some nice browning though, and it smells good. When you first take a wild hog, sometimes they'll have a pretty strong odor, but you'll find once it cools down and everything, get it all cleaned up, the odor will go away. It'll smell just great. How you doing, Lizzie? You like Adidas? I know I like Adidas. Been wearing them since 2nd grade or so. Adidas Sambas. Let's take a look at these. Let's see, we got some nice suede uppers. There's your Samba. Yeah, I mean, these shoes are really hard to beat. They're good if you have wide feet like me. Kind of naturally on the wide side a little bit. Wide load when it comes to feet. I'm not sure what kind of foot size Lizzie has, but alrighty, it's been 4 minutes aside. I'm going to turn off the heat, let it cool down. Don't really have any proper burger fixins or buns or whatnot, but I think that's fine. I want to see how the patty itself tastes on its own. But we'll be eating a lot of them here. Have a lot of hog, a lot more out of there, tearing up the countryside, killing all the deer fawns and whatnot. So a lot of work ahead of us when it comes to those hogs. So we'll be eating a lot of groundhog here. Alrighty, got her on the plate. Got a nice little browning action there. Looks pretty well done. Just gonna let it sit for a bit. Smells really good. I licked the whatever you call the thing, that burger flipper. I licked the grease off of that, and that was really good. So I have pretty high hopes for this groundhog. Alrighty, folks, it's chow time. Kind of in the dark there, but okay. Let's dig in. See, looks like it cooked all the way through. That is really good. Tastes quite like, kind of like sausage, really. I mean, I was pretty heavy-handed with that seasoning, so I don't know if you would know that it's from wild hog. Tastes really good. Not too fatty, but has a little bit. Yeah, this is good for you, good to eat, tasty. Just a great option. So, no antibiotics, no animal cruelty, no nothing. So yeah, I'd say shape them into patties, cook 4 minutes aside, maybe a little longer. You know, kind of depends. But you know, season with whatever seasoning you want. You can top them with whatever. Groundhog burgers, my new favorite. Also, in case y'all were wondering, I actually have eaten woodchuck. It wasn't too bad. We slow roasted one back when I was in middle school. But we don't have them here in Texas. That was something we'd eat in Virginia. But I'd eat them here if I could.